Hi guys, Johan here. At the shop today we've got a Ferrari 458 Spider. In my eyes, one of the best looking cars of all time. I don't think this car will ever age. The customer used it last weekend, he parked under a tree, now the whole car is covered in tree sap. We just have to take care of it for him. He wants to use it on the weekend, so we've got to get it shining better than new. Hey guys, the 458 is done. The car was here previously for one of our treatments. We did a two-stage paint correction as well as applied a Geon ceramic coating. The whole car came in covered with tree sap. The Geon ceramic coating protected it. Everything came off actually with just a maintenance wash. We didn't have to polish or do anything special. We washed it, everything came off. Car shining, ready for the weekend.